Welcome to my channel, Taken Wheels with Pat. So today questions from Terry, how to change the light bulb, but so it will be a tips and tricks 20. So just give me a sec. Well, here we go. Thanks Terry for that question. So first of all, you have to locate the backlight by opening the trunk. And I will take the camera a little bit closer. So when the trunk is open, you have on both sides you have a little cover, and on, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but here you have a latch, one on the top, one on the bottom, and you just have to put a screwdriver underneath and just pull it out, and it falls off. And you see it's held by 3 clips here, and there you have the screws to loosen up the backlight. So that's it's a 10 millimeter. You can use a wrench or a socket with 10 millimeters, and then you can take the whole lights off. If you see in the, I'm gonna go a little bit in the back here, you can see as well the bulbs. There are 2 bulbs, and the top one for the brake lights and the bottom one for the reverse. So the brake lights has to be unscrewed counterclockwise and screwed back in place. For the other 2, you have to open those panels here on each side, and you have actually 5 screws to take the panel off. And as well the brake one has to be unscrewed counterclockwise, and the reverse light is just a plug-in bulb. So that's and to place it back, what is important is that you place it correctly. You can see that we'll show you on the one that is in already. You see that you have a little gap. Closer, here we go. You have a little gap on the side here, and it's important that when you place it again, you have a gap, so you have to push it really good into it. Press it. Here it goes. It has to be flush. Takes a little bit of use. That's the second time I'm taking it off just to check. I didn't plan to change the light bulbs, but that's how you do. And if you want more information, I think it's on page 268 of the manual. Thanks for watching. So, and while I'm at it, Happy New Year. And again, if you have any other question, just post it on the comment, and I will do a video. So thanks very much Terry for that one, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye.